Hey there, keyboard enthusiasts. Welcome back to the UK Pro Reviewer channel. Today, we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards with the Glorious GMMK Pro. This keyboard has gained quite a reputation, but it's not without its flaws. Let's take a closer look. The Glorious GMMK Pro is an impressive mechanical keyboard that offers a responsive and satisfying typing experience. Its mod-friendly design allows you to customize it to your heart's content. However, there are some issues with the build quality of certain components, which can be a hindrance, especially during the modding process. During my time using the GMMK Pro, I found it to be a solid choice for both work and gaming. It's among the best mechanical keyboards available, offering a sleek and stylish design. However, when it came to building the keyboard myself, I encountered some problems with the smaller components, such as the screws, which were of low quality and prone to stripping. This is disappointing, especially considering the premium price point of the keyboard. Furthermore, there seem to be some quality control issues, as some users have reported missing screws and other manufacturing defects. These issues can be off-putting, especially for those who enjoy modding their keyboards. Despite these drawbacks, the Glorious GMMK Pro has a lot going for it. It's incredibly beginner-friendly, allowing you to easily build your own keyboard from scratch using Glorious Online Configurator. You can choose from a variety of parts and colors to create a unique and personalized keyboard that suits your style. The GMMK Pro features a robust and premium build quality, with a range of color options for keycaps, top frames, and switch plates. The RGB lighting is vibrant, and the keyboard's 75% layout provides a balance between functionality and space saving. Plus, the removable cable allows you to upgrade to a more robust and visually appealing coiled cable. With the Glorious Core app, customization goes beyond the physical board. You can adjust the RGB lighting, polling rate, and input latency, as well as program each key to your liking. The software is user-friendly and offers plenty of flexibility for gamers. However, it's worth noting that some users have reported bugs with their Glorious keyboards, and I experienced a few myself initially. Fortunately, most issues can be resolved by adjusting settings within the Glorious Core app. In terms of typing experience, the keys on the GMMK Pro are great. They have a satisfying clack sound, and the switches, such as Glorious Panda and Lynx mechanical switches, offer responsiveness and accuracy. Whether you're typing documents or gaming, the GMMK Pro delivers reliable performance. Now, let's talk about the price. The pre-built version of the GMMK Pro starts at around £286 in the US, which is already quite steep for many users. Building your own kit can be even more expensive, with the barebone kit alone costing around £140. When you factor in additional components like switch plates, switches, keycaps, frames, and cables, the cost can quickly add up. If you have the budget for it, Glorious does ship to the UK and Australia, so you can get your hands on the GMMK Pro. To sum it up, the Glorious GMMK Pro is an impressive mechanical keyboard with some notable flaws. It offers a fantastic typing experience and a high level of customization, but the build quality of certain components leaves something to be desired. If Glorious can address these issues, the GMMK Pro has the potential to be an unstoppable keyboard. That concludes our review of the Glorious GMMK Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. And if you've used the Glorious GMMK Pro yourself, we'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, this is UK Pro Reviewer signing off. Happy typing!